Hello friends. In the last video, we discussed about Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law. Now we are going to discuss about how the circuit elements are connected in the network or circuit. The circuit elements are nothing but resistors, capacitors and inductors. How these are arranged, how these are connected in circuits means either these are connected in series way or in parallel. In this video we discuss series connection. In the next video we will go to discuss about parallel connection of circuit elements. Okay, let's see the definition of series connection. The second end of the first element and the first end of the second element are connected is called series connection. Okay, the second end of the first element and the first end of the second element are connected is called series connection. In this series connection, current is same but voltage is different at each element. Let's consider a resistor like this. This is the first resistor and this is the second resistor. Assume this is the second end of the first resistor. This is the first end of the second resistor. If I connected these two ends, then this connection is known as series connection. Here also I represented the same thing. Here these two resistors are connected in series, and here also two capacitors are connected in series, likewise inductors also. We can represent these two resistors into a single resistor by adding the two resistance values, because if the two resistors are connected in series, then we can add them and represent into a single resistor like this. Req is equal to R1 plus R2. Here R1, R2 is the resistance of the first resistor and resistance of the second resistor. We can add these two resistances and represent into a single resistor. Okay. Likewise, if two capacitors are connected in series, then we can represent these two capacitors into one capacitor by using this formula C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. Here C1 is the capacitance of the first capacitor and C1 is the capacitance of the first capacitor and C2 is the capacitance of the second capacitor by C1 plus C2. We can represent two series connected capacitors into one capacitor by using this formula. And next, inductor. Inductor also same as a resistor. How we can modify the resistance means we simply add the resistance values and represent into a single resistor. Likewise inductors also, here we add the two inductance values and represent into a single inductor. This is the series connection of circuit elements in a circuit. In the next class we will go to discuss about parallel connection. Okay, thank you.